Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to our English class. Okay, so as you can see, I have some materials here and also there is a caterpillar and the small circles here. Later you will know how these circles put value to what we do. Okay, so again, good morning everyone. May I present to you our objectives for today's journey with a caterpillar. Okay, first is you have to define, at the end of the session, you have to define the present perfect tense. What is it all about? How is it formed? Second is you have to understand the ways and how to form and the ways and how to use and when to use this kind of tense. Third is you got to practice the grammar lesson that we are discussing today. Okay, so for our warm-up activity, I have here a picture. Okay, since today, this season is summer, okay, can you relate this picture? Have you ever tried jet skiing? Or have you ever tried this activity during summer? Or have you ever planned about this?
Yes, we tried.
Okay, very good. And also this one, how many of you here have tried this? Is it nice? Is it good?
It's refreshing.
It's refreshing, especially today it's very hot. Okay, another is this one.
Coconut.
Coconut, yes. This tastes very good. Okay, what about this picture?
Oh, it's in the beach.
Okay, how would you feel if you will be swinging in front of this beach or in this beach? Is it not relaxing?
Relaxing picture.
Yes, it is. Okay, and while you are swinging in that, okay, you are swinging, you are also drinking this one. So I think that's more relaxing. Okay, what about this one?
Riding in a boat.
Yes, boating with friends. Will that be amazing too?
Yes, we tried.
Yes. Okay. So our lesson today is about present perfect tense. If you noticed, I was using some of those present perfect tenses examples. Okay, now I have here, as I said a while ago, I have prepared little circles here. Now, this will help us monitor and track which part or if those parts of the lessons are already finished or accomplished. Here we have a caterpillar. If ever we are done with the first stage, we'll put them together. We'll put it together and then it will now complete the body of the caterpillar. Okay, and since we are done with the warm-up activity, we will paste it here, and then later, because we already have presented the objectives of the lesson, we will put this circle here. So there are 3 more circles left. Okay, again, welcome to our class. We will be discussing the present perfect tense. Okay, here we have the present perfect tense is one of the common verb tenses. This is used to show an action that happened in the past and is directly connected to the present. Such as, for example, that we have here, have you ever tried a spicy ice cream? Or, shall I say, have you tried riding in a boat with your loved one? Okay, so that is an action that started from the past and is continuing to the present. Okay, so it started from the past and even at the moment of speaking, still that is existing. Okay, next is when you use the present perfect tense verb, make sure that you do not use the expressions that are very explicit, expressions like yesterday, last week. No, you should instead use the expressions like since, for, yet. Like for example, I will say, I have been teaching English subject for 14 years now. That means that I started teaching English subject 14 years ago, and until now I am still teaching. So that is an action that is continuing until the moment that I am speaking. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, here we have the chart. There is a formula on how to form the present perfect tense. We have here the subjects. These are actually pronouns. We have I, you, we, they. If you can still recall your past lessons in grammar, these are the plural pronouns. So whenever you will use this one, make sure that you will only have this Again, we are in the present perfect, so we'll have. So you will say, you can add here the past participle of the verb. Let us say, for example, I have tried. You do not say, I has tried. It should always be have. And we also, for the you also, still the same. We will have. For we have, you can never say we has not. They have, you cannot say they has. Now, for negating this sentence, you can say, or you can just add the word or the expression not. So you will say, I have not tried a spicy ice cream. Or you will say, you have not tried a spicy ice cream. Okay, that is for the I, you, we, and they. Now, let's proceed to the singular subjects. He, she, it. Remember, these are singular subjects, therefore, we will use the verb has. So you cannot say, he have tried. It should be, he has tried, or he has not tried it yet. Or she has not tried it yet. Okay, so are there questions so far? None. Okay, so our lesson is already discussed and has been presented, so we will paste it here in the body of the caterpillar, and we still have two more left. We have, okay, discussion proper, we're done with it already, so we will paste it here, and then, now it's time for evaluation. So I prepared an evaluation for you, and you will be answering those items in 10 minutes. Okay, so since I am now giving your evaluation, I will paste the last body of the caterpillar here. Now look, it's already complete. So what does it mean? Okay, all the stages that we finished are all put together. Okay, if you can see in life, there are so many obstacles that we need to face. There can be so many difficult things. But if you will just continue, that will put you together and that will become strong. You become stronger. And that is why we have the beautiful butterfly here. If you are able to connect or say to surpass all these challenges in the future, you will become as beautiful as the butterfly because you are already prepared. You have already learned the lessons in life and all the lessons that we'll learn here from the teachers and from the classroom. Okay, so I hope I am making sense. I hope everyone understands here again. We are talking about the present perfect tense and how is it formed, when are you going to use it, and we have here the samples. Okay, so are there questions so far? There being none, so I think I have already explained to you all things about, everything about present perfect tense. Okay, see you on the next meeting. Goodbye, class.